Welcome to today's review on the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF Printer Bundle, a complete t-shirt printing station designed for entrepreneurs seeking high-quality prints with minimal hassle. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price in the market. From the moment you unpack the Lancelot M1630 Pro, it's clear that this is more than just a printer. It's a production hub with thoughtful design built around convenience and reliability. The Smart Holiday mode automatically maintains ink flow during breaks or vacations, which means no clogged nozzles or wasted ink, a feature that gives peace of mind for small businesses who can't afford downtime. The bundle includes an intelligent powder shaker, heater dryer, and a mobile workstation, allowing you to transform any space into a mini studio almost instantly, saving both setup time and space. When it comes to speed and quality, the M1630 Pro shines with Epson XP600, F1080, printheads that deliver twice the speed of comparable DTG printers in 720 by 1440 dpi resolution, producing vibrant, detailed prints on cotton, polyester, leather, nylon, and more, including hats and bags. The DTF printing process itself is a game changer, eliminating pre-treatment and cutting setup time by roughly 30%, which translates to higher productivity and faster turnaround for orders. Colors are bright, consistent, and long-lasting, even on dark fabrics, which is crucial when you want to impress clients with professional quality merchandise. The included plug-and-play laptop comes preloaded with software, making the system ready to operate within hours, not days, and it's compatible with Windows, ensuring smooth integration into most setups. For those new to DTF or looking to expand their business, the 24/7 expert support ensures guidance is available whenever needed, which makes the learning curve less intimidating and the workflow seamless. In terms of limitations, while the machine is powerful, it's relatively heavy at 231 pounds, so you'll need a stable setup space, and the upfront cost is higher than single-piece printers. But considering the all-in-one functionality and professional-grade output, the investment is justified for serious entrepreneurs or small business owners. Whether you're printing a few custom orders or scaling production, the M1630 Pro streamlines the process from start to finish, reducing manual labor, setup mistakes, and material waste. Its versatility in printing on a variety of fabrics and surfaces is unmatched at this price point, making it suitable for apparel shops, gift stores, or online merchandise businesses. Overall, this bundle balances speed, quality, and convenience with an intuitive interface and smart maintenance features that save time, reduce stress, and allow creative freedom. If you want to upgrade your printing capabilities, increase productivity, and produce high-quality designs without the headaches of traditional DTG setups, this bundle is a compelling option. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your printing business with a professional, reliable, and innovative system that delivers consistent results, looks sleek, and functions seamlessly. Make sure to click the link in the description below to grab the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF Printer Bundle at the best price and start transforming your printing operations today.